So today, actually, I am in Edmonton, Alberta, and I just came back from the Scotiabank Theatre Cineplex, and I went to see the movie. What was the movie called, Marcus? Yes. So I went to see the movie, it's called Rough Night. It's in Scotiabank Cineplex, the theater in Edmonton, Alberta. I just came here. So it was a really good movie. About the movie, I would give it like 5 out of 5. It was super funny. You guys should check it out. It's just so funny. It's like a comedy. It's kind of like a comedy with like mixed with other stuff. But it's a super funny movie. And it's my first time here at the Scotiabank Theatre it's close to the West Edmonton Mall. That's where the theater is. So I just went there and it was really nice. Like it's a really big theater. It's kind of similar to where I'm from. I live from the city. It's kind of where I live is close to like Vancouver, British Columbia. And this is only Canada, Vancouver, BC, Canada. So this is my first time experience here at the West Edmonton Mall, theater beside it. So anyways, you guys take care, and I'll talk to you then.